Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, Psychological and Sports. It is our ninth chapter. In this chapter, we will cover four topics: definition and importance of psychology in physical education and sports, define and differentiate between growth and development, developmental characteristics and different stage of development, adolescent problems and their management. Now, first we will cover a topic: different definition and importance of psychology in physical education and sports. Now, what is the meaning and definition of psychology? So many definitions are there. Now, what is psychology? It is the combination of two words, psych and logos. It is a Greek word. Psych means soul and logos means science. According to Rose, it is the interpretation and explanation of behavior in mental or physical terms. According to James Drever, it is the science which seek to interrupt in physical or mental terms the behavior of living organism so far as that is physically conditioned. According to Crow and Crow, psychology is the study of the human behavior and human relationship. It is the study of human behavior and human relationship. Watson says psychology is positive science of behavior. Now, meaning and definition of sports psychology. According to John Luther, sports psychology is an area which attempts to apply psychological facts and principles to learning performance and associated human behavior in whole field of sports. It's associate human behavior in field of sports. According to K.M. Burns says, sports psychology for for physical education is that branch of psychology which deals with the physical fitness of an individual through his participation in games and sports. So, psychology which deals with the physical fitness of an individual through his participation in games and sports. Singer says sports psychology explores one's behavior in athletics. It explores one's behavior in athletics. Clark and Clark says sports psychology is an applied psychology. It, it's applied psychology. It is more concerned with the personalities, emotional or motivational aspect of sports and physical activities. It is employs many of the techniques used in psychology. Now, importance of sports psychology. There is 6 points: learning motor skills, enhancement of physiological capacities, understanding the behavior, in controlling emotions, preparing athletes physiologically for competition, role in the emotional problems of sports person. Now first is learning motor skills. Sports psychology plays an important role and it is helpful in learning at all three stages of motor skill learnings like cognitive stage, autonomous stage, and associative stages. Second is enhancement of physiological capacities. Sports psychology plays an important role towards the development of physiological capacities like flexibility, speed, strength. Hmm. It development of physical capacity of an individual. Psychological power substantially increase the physiological power of a person. Now third is understanding the behavior. Sports psychology help to understand the behavior of the athlete or sports person participating in various competitions. It helps to study the overall behavior aspect of the sports person and also modify them in various conditions. Fourth is in controlling emotions. Now, during competition or participates, some emotional situations are required, like emotions like anger, disgust, fear, negative thinking, or feeling of ownership should be controlled. Now, preparing athlete psychologically for competition. Sports psychology plays a main role at both national and international level competition. सभी गेम्स में इम्पोर्टेंस रोल है इसका. Sports psychology create hunger for win with the very important role in the emotional problem of sports person. Some of the common emotional problems faced by various sports persons during participate and competitions are stress, tension, anxiety, depression, panic, frustration, etc.